Hello and welcome to the channel of Kanak Infosystems. In this video we are going to see the functionality of the label printing from Zebra printer and how we need to configure everything related to it to make the print. So first of all, what we need to do is, after we have installed the module, we will navigate to companies. So we will click here on the setting and here we can see companies. After installing the module, we can see there is a tab named printer configuration present here. Here we have three options. First is the product printer, second is the location printer, and third is the shipping printer. What this means is we need to set individual printers for each type of label that we want to print. For example, for product label, I will set a printer name here. For the location label, I will set the printer name here, and for the shipping label, I will set the printer name here. The type here refers to what type of print are we expecting. Is it the ZPL print or the EPL print? So after this configuration, we need to move to the product. Now the next step that we need to do is we need to install the QZ tray. QZ tray, we can navigate to the QZ website here and we can navigate to the download icon, and here we can see we have different versions and we also have Windows and the Apple version available for QZ tray. After we have installed it, next thing that we need to go is we need to move to the demo page of qz.io. Once we move to this demo page, the QZ tray will ask for this pop-up, which means it is asking to connection. We will click on allow, and now the connection for the QZ tray is active, as we can see the status here. We can search by name, or we can simply click on find all printers and it will show all the printers that are available to this system. Now we can send the print to any of these systems. So I will select the name from here, which is my Zebra printer, and I will go to the product printer in the my company and I will enter the name. This means that I want to get the product labels at this printer. Now I will click on save. Okay, so far we have done the configuration for the printer in the company and we have set the product printer, that is our Zebra printer. This printer is now connected to my system and we have the QZ tray connection active. So let's now navigate to the product. Here we will click on print and we will select product label PDF, and here we have the option to select the number of copies, so we can select as many number of copies that we want to come from our printer. Now we will click on OK and we can see the QZ tray print, which is asking us to allow the connection. Then there will be a second pop-up which will ask us for the access for the printers, and then we have the final print which will send the print to the printer, and we have the print coming with the barcode and the name. Now what we need to make sure is that the QZ tray is always active. The second thing is that the pop-ups that come will come always every time a single print is sent. If we want to disable those pop-ups, what we need to do is we need to purchase the license from QZ. The pop-ups disability is not present inside this module currently. So if you want to disable these pop-ups, you need to purchase the certificates from the QZ website. This is the whole configuration for this module. The main points that we keep to note are that the QZ tray should always be connected and it should be connection active to the system. The printer should be connected to the system, and we have the printer name corrected in the my company or whichever company which are using. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.